In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add profile images in Glide. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to set a profile image for your users so your app feels more polished and personal. Before we begin, have a clear, well-lit image ready on your device. A square or centered headshot works best, and common formats like JPG or PNG are perfect. Start by going to Glide. Open your web browser and navigate to the Glide site, where you build and manage your apps. Once you're there, sign into your account. Use your usual login details and make sure you're on the correct workspace so you're editing the right content. Next, open the project you want to edit. This is the specific app where you want users' profile images to appear. Once the project loads, look to the left sidebar and click User Profile. This area controls how user information is displayed and managed across your app. Now, click Edit. This opens the profile configuration, so you can modify fields that belong to each user. Find the image field. This is where the profile photo will live, and click Image. You'll see an option to upload the image. Choose the file from your computer or device, or drag and drop it into the uploader if that's available. Give it a moment to process. Aim for a clear picture with the face centered. Glide will handle basic resizing, but starting with a clean, high-quality image helps it look great across screens. Once the image preview looks good, click Submit. This saves your change inside the project. At this point, the profile image is set up and stored correctly, and you should see it populate where the app uses the user's profile picture, such as headers, lists, or profile screens. To make the update visible to your end users, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing pushes your change live, ensuring anyone using the app sees the new profile images without needing to reinstall or refresh complex settings. If you're working in a team or across environments, confirm your publishing to the intended version. That's it. By going to Glide, signing in, opening your project, navigating to the user profile, clicking Edit, selecting the image field, uploading the picture, submitting, and then publishing, you've successfully added profile images to your app. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.